Hi. So you've taken VM1 and your curiosity is to perhaps what is in VM2, VM3, VM4. How do I look at this as a whole curriculum? And when you are introduced to the visceral concept in VM1, it is that it's like an introduction, it is a concept, it's a new approach in working with somebody. And now, as you move into VM2, VM3, VM4, now you put the application into the integration for that person. Now we put it into the hands-on skills of, you started with the digestive organ system, and you learned about the stomach, and you learned about how the food passes through. And now we add on to it the other organs of importance to help that digestive system work with more efficiency. How do we look at it not just as one organ? How do we look at it as a system? How do we look at it as the entirety of the pelvic organs and the importance of the urogenital organs? How many people come into your offices with women's health issues or men's health issues to be able to say, gosh, you've been to other people to try to help you with these disorders? How can we then look inside the body to what may be promoting pelvic floor disorders or chronic pelvic pain? We look at the nervous system involved with those pelvic organs, we look at the vascular system, and we look at their attachments to the pelvic girdle. When you complete VM2, you've got more of the larger glands, the pancreas, we've got the spleen, you've got this peritoneum, and that is the information highway, if you would, of what connects these abdominal organs with the pelvic organs and the thoracic organs. So you understand more of palpation skills and the interconnection. And then we go to VM4 and you understand about the thorax. When I first took this class, and I had so many people involved with cervical lordosis or complications in neck and postures, and you learn in VM4 about the intricacy of the ligaments that go down deep inside to the pericardium and how they attach to the lung pleura and the effect on these fascial systems that are deep inside, and they attach to the cervical region. It was really an eye-opener for me as a physical therapist who tried to problem solve people from a musculoskeletal point of view, and I wasn't finding the answers. So it was awesome to be able to put the thoracic cavity in with cervical or cranial problems. The pressure system, how this pressure system involves the abdominal organs and the pelvic organs, and be able to touch and actually feel this and feel the differences through the body. So come and listen, learn, palpate, have your skills come into your hands as you start to integrate this into your clients.